Welcome to Nightingale Electrical, providing electrical services in every sector. For a comprehensive range of electrical services, choose the professional, friendly team at Nightingale Electrical. Our City and Guilds qualified electricians have the experience to provide quick, professional and effective solutions for customers across the whole of the Northwest. Our services include electrical testing, installations, modifications to existing circuits, rewires, security lighting, servicing, renewable technologies and much more. We also offer a full range of security services, including CCTV, automatic gates, intruder alarms, door entry and much more. Got an electrical emergency? Don't panic. We operate a 24/7 service.
Good morning, Nightingale Electrical.
To make sure you're not left in the dark. We guarantee a full and professional service at Nightingale Electrical. Call 01204 325 177 or find us online at www.nightingaleelectrical.co.uk.